guys, it's Theodore, and I'm back with some Pocket Trains. And look at this blue steamer train. Look at this cherry steamer train. And look at this vanilla steamer train. So I have a crate. Let's open it up. Okay, we got a vanilla steamer part. And I know that I did give away my trains, all my trains. So I didn't know what I'm gonna give out. So I don't really know what I'm gonna give out, to be honest, because I don't have that much bucks to give out with anything. So I can only give out my steamers. I can only give out away my steamers. Not my steamers, of course, but my parts. Vanilla steamer and scuba steamer. Okay. Okay, nothing on these trains. But look at my map on Europe. Which track should I get? Comment down below. Which track should I get? You have 20 seconds to comment down below on what track I should get. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay, I gave you 20 seconds, and now I think you commented down below on what track I should get. I'm thinking of getting. Still thinking I want to get the track to Reykjavik. No. Whoever, don't listen to Sophia. Reykjavik to Glasgow when you have a Europe license, that's a tough one to get. You need 23,400 coins for that. So I don't know which track I should get, and when my steamers arrived. Dublin, and Paris. So Bordeaux, Lisbon, Madrid, Barcelona, Milan, Rome, Budapest, Munich, Berlin, Amsterdam, Glasgow, Stockholm, Oslo, Rome. Hold on, get that. Okay. Ha! Found a national express card. Stats. Okay. I want. I'm thinking. Hold on. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 4. No. 13. Okay, 2 plus 1 is 3. 4 plus 3 is 7. 37? Okay, 37 I think? Yeah, it is 37. Yeah, it is. Okay, why am I talking to myself for no reason? Okay, let's stop. I will see if I could try to name out the 10 biggest largest countries. Algeria. Algeria. Kazakhstan. And I'll zoom bigger when the country's too big. Argentina. India. Australia. What stuff? Brazil. China. USA. Canada. Russia. Okay, I know that Russia is the biggest country, so I know that for a fact. It's much bigger than Canada, USA, China, and Brazil. But Brazil looks like towers over South America. Okay, I'll try to name all the biggest countries in the continents. Okay, Canada, North America, Brazil, South America, Algeria, Africa, Russia, Europe, Russia, Asia, and Australia. And I think it's Australia, not Oceania, because I like to call it Australia instead of Oceania. I don't know why, but I like it. Oh, we get bucks. Bucks! Okay. Libsyn. No, I'm not. Okay, forget about Bordeaux. Let's go to Lisbon. Okay. Istanbul, Athens. Okay, this is it for today.